everyone, we are Group 8, and our group members are TANG, WANSHU, ZHANGSHIXUE, LUOXULEI, TIAN. For our aerospace elective course, we conducted a small community activity through a movie screening session. The movie was selected was Interstellar, directed by Christopher Nolan. The purpose of this activity was to introduce aerospace-related concepts to participants in a more engaging and accessible way. Instead of using only textbooks of lectures, we chose a popular science fiction film because visual storytelling can help people better understand complex scientific ideas. Through this activity, we hope to increase public interest in space exploration, astronomy, and aerospace technology. Today, we will share our planning process and implementation of this activity, participants' responses, and our reflections, the experiments. Before organizing the screening, we considered several space-related movies. However, we ultimately selected Interstellar because it combines scientific accuracy with emotional storytelling. This film explores important aerospace concepts such as black holes, wormholes, space travel, gravitational effect, time dilatation. Unlike many science fiction films that focus mainly on action, Interstellar encourages viewers to think about the future of humanity and the challenges of surviving beyond Earth. These themes are highly relevant to aerospace studies and modern society research. For our screening, we selected a short scene involving the black hole gargantua and the concept of time dilatation because it clearly demonstrates how advanced scientific theories can be represented through film.
This world's a treasure. It's been telling us to leave for a while now.
Your daughter's generation will be the last to survive on Earth. You're the best pilot we ever had. Get out there and save the world.
Everybody ready to say goodbye to our solar system?
To our galaxy.
Here we go.
After showing the movie clip, we explained several scientific concepts to the participants. One important concept is black hole. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. Another important concept is time dilation. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time can move at different speeds depending on gravity. In the movie, 1 hour spent on a planet near the black hole is equivalent to approximately 7 years on Earth. Although this sounds unbelievable, the idea is based on real scientific theories. By connecting scientific knowledge with scenes from the movie, participants were able to understand this concept more easily and develop greater curiosity about space science.
To conduct the activity, we first introduced the background of the movie and explained the objectives of the screening. Participants were encouraged to pay attention to the scientific elements presented in the selected scene. After the screening, we organized a discussion session. Participants were invited to share their observations, ask questions, and discuss the scientific concepts shown in the movie. This interactive approach helps create a more engaging learning environment. Instead of passively watching the movie, participants become actively involved in the discussion and exchanged ideas about space exploration and future technologies. Through this project, we learned that movies can be powerful educational tools. Scientific concepts that are often difficult to understand become more accessible when presented visually. We also discovered that participants were more willing to engage in discussions when the learning process was connected to entertainment. However, we also recognized some limitations. Because the concepts in Interstellar are quite advanced, some participants required attention explains to fully understand the scientific areas. In future activities, we would prepare more visual materials and interactive questions to improve understanding and participation. Overall, the activity successfully promoted awareness of aerospace science and demonstrate the value of creative approaches to science education.
Thank you for watching, and we hope this video can inspire your greater interest to aerospace science and the more exploration of the universe.